Let your light so shine before others that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew 5:16. And as the saying goes, glow from the inside out and you'll light up the room. Hey skincare lovers, if you're looking for a natural, budget-friendly way to achieve radiant skin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to harvest and use guava leaves for a simple DIY skincare boost. First up, let's talk about why guava leaves are a hidden gem. Packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and antibacterial properties, these leaves can help fight acne, soothe inflammation, and even out your skin tone. Plus, it's just so satisfying to use something fresh from nature. All right, harvesting time. Head outside and look for a healthy guava tree. You want to pick young, vibrant green leaves. They're softer and loaded with nutrients. Gently pluck a handful, giving thanks for the bounty. Once you're back inside, rinse the leaves thoroughly under cool water to remove any dust or bugs. Pat them dry with a clean towel. Now, here's a quick DIY guava leaf toner. Boil 2 cups of water, toss in your washed guava leaves, and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. The water will turn a beautiful light green. Strain out the leaves and let the liquid cool completely. Pour your guava leaf toner into a clean spray bottle or jar. This is your magical potion. You can use it as a facial mist, a toner after cleansing, or dab it onto breakouts with a cotton pad. It feels super refreshing and has a gentle herbal scent. For an extra treat, mash a few steamed guava leaves into a paste and mix with a spoonful of honey. Spread it gently over your face, chill for 10 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will thank you. Just a quick reminder, always do a patch test before slathering anything new on your skin. Natural doesn't always mean allergy-free. And there you have it, DIY guava leaf skincare, straight from the tree to your beauty routine. Let your natural glow shine bright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments. Stay radiant, friends.